We'll guide you through how to make rounded corners image in PowerPoint. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your PowerPoint application on your computer. Once it is ready, open your existing presentation file. Wait until the slide loads completely so all elements are clearly visible. Take a moment to observe the image on your slide and decide which one you want to edit. Next, click on the image you want to modify. Make sure the image is properly selected by checking that selection handles appear around it. After selecting the image, go to the Picture Format tab located on the top menu. In this tab, look for the Crop option. Click on the drop-down arrow under Crop to reveal additional options. Observe the available options carefully, then select Crop to Shape. After selecting this option, look at the list of shapes provided. Choose the rounded rectangle shape from the list. Once selected, observe how the image corners automatically become rounded. This gives your image a softer and more modern appearance. If needed, click Crop again to refine the result. Adjust the crop area by dragging the crop handles. You can also resize the image inside the shape and drag it to reposition if needed. Make sure that the important parts of the image remain clearly visible and properly centered. Next, adjust the corner roundness using the yellow handle that appears on the shape. Click and drag the yellow handle to control how rounded the corners look. You can drag it to the left to reduce the roundness and make the corners appear more square, or drag it to the right to increase the roundness and create smoother, more curved edges. After adjusting the corners, resize the image if necessary by dragging the corner points. Be sure to maintain proper proportions while resizing to avoid distortion. Then, check the alignment of the image on the slide and adjust its position to match your layout. To see the final result, preview the slide in full screen mode. Observe how the image appears during the presentation and ensure it looks clean and visually balanced. Once done, go back to normal view. Finally, click File to open the available options. Select the Save option and click Save to store your presentation.